Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, I'm going to show you a bigger picture and what we can expect in the long term from Bitcoin. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to recall this big harmonic Cypher pattern, because this analysis is quite connected with today's price analysis. And this was a big Cypher pattern that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January when the price line just entered the buying zone. And I told my members that as per the Fibonacci sequence of the Cypher, the buying is from $36,100 and goes to $28,805. And our sell targets can be from $46,300 and goes to $57,167. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price line moved up, rallied very well up to $48,189 and hit these sell targets, and now we are having some correction. And during this move, okay, here we need to notice this buying zone. It is going to $28,805, and I'll tell you why I am telling you about it. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then during this move, from this potential reversal zone, this rally, the price line broke out this bigger channel and stuck in this rising wedge pattern. Recently, Bitcoin also broke out this bearish pennant as well, that is more visible on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And now we are moving above the support of $39,500. That is a very long-term support. And previously it has been working as a nice support and resistance, like here as a support, here as a support, and here as a resistance. So again, it can work as a strong support and resistance. You can see here it was working as a support and here as a resistance. Now, the target for this smaller bearish pennant can be here approximately at $47,000, and the target for this bigger channel can be here approximately at $68,000. Now let's take a look at the monthly view, and here we can see that Bitcoin is following this uptrend line since after April 2013, and it is not breaking it down. It has tested it here, almost tested it here as well, and tested here in January 2015, and from August 2015 to October 2015 it once again tested here and just touched here when we had a drop of March 2020. And after March 2020 we had a very big rally, and since after that it has did not touch this support, this uptrend line support. Now we also have a very nice support zone here that is starting from this is the support from $39,500 to $28,600, and you can see this $28,600 is almost at exactly at the same level where we have this potential reversals on that goes to maximum $28,800. Now, if the price line needs to go more down to test this support, then first it needs to break down this support zone that is very strong. We're forming a double top. That is a bad thing here, and we also have a bearish divergence on this monthly time frame. Like you can see, price line is forming higher than previous high, and if we take a look at the RSI, it has failed to do so, and it is forming, the stochastic is forming lower high than previous high. Even the RSI is forming lower high than previous high. It has happened back in 2014. We can see that when we had very obvious bearish divergence on the chart, the price line was forming higher high, oscillators were forming lower high, and eventually price line dropped at this support. But again, after this drop, there was a big hidden bullish divergence appeared. After this bearish divergence, you can see the price line was forming higher low than previous low, and the stochastic was forming lower than previous low, and RSI was also forming lower than previous low, and eventually we had a very long rally. This time we had a bearish divergence on the chart, and you can see here price line rallied up to $64,895, and here rallied up to $69,000. So this is a higher than previous high, but stochastic and RSI are not able to do so. But if we take a look at the lower of the price line, it is forming lower high than previous low. And if we watch the stochastic, it is forming lower than previous low. And if we watch the RSI, it is also forming lower than previous low. So there is also a hidden bullish divergence flashed on this chart on this monthly time frame, unless the price line does not break down this support and move down to the support of this uptrend line support. We have a hidden bullish divergence on this chart that is still in play, and eventually, as a result of hidden bullish divergence, we can expect a very, very powerful reversal move. But we need to save this support. We need to have this support below the price line. If this support will be broken down, then this hidden bullish divergence can be removed from the chart. So next few days are really very important for Bitcoin, because even on the daily time frame, if I place this stochastic here on the daily time frame, then we can see even on the daily time frame we had a hidden bullish divergence. We have a support of this rising wedge pattern. Price line is forming higher low than previous low, and stochastic has formed lower than previous low. So on the daily time frame, we also have a hidden bullish divergence. We have 1 and 2 breakouts. One is from this down channel, another one from this bearish pennant, and we are at the support of the rising wedge pattern. So there is a possibility that we may start a reversal move from here. But if this support will be broken down, especially this support is on the bigger picture, this support will be broken down, then we can move down to the support of this channel, this uptrend line that will be approximately here. It depends where it will touch the support. For example, here we move a lot of sideways move we had, and then we touched here. And for example, if we will move once again sideways after breaking down, then we may touch here. That will be approximately at $18,000 to $19,000. But I'm not expecting that the price line is going to break down this support zone. This is very important and strong support zone for Bitcoin. And you can see it is not breaking down since after May 2021. And if we watch the stochastic here, then we are very, very close to enter the oversold zone. Previously, when it was oversold and turned bullish, we had a very, very big rally. And before that, we entered the oversold zone here back in 2014. Then after a few months, we started a very, very massive and big rally. So we are once again very close to the oversold zone. That is another positive thing. Bad thing that we are losing the momentum, but you can see the history shows that whenever Bitcoin enters the oversold zone, after a few months it starts a massive move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.